So today we're in a room with a king bed, and when we walk in on the left hand side we have an ottoman, and you can open this for extra storage space, which is really cool. Then we have a very sleek light as like a desk lamp, a chair, and a long table area to put stuff on to work on. Very modern look. This is the room service menu. It's really great because the room service here, if you look, if they serve it from 11 a.m. to 1 a.m. all like different hot foods like pizza, burgers, chicken sandwiches. They also have like some healthy options like chicken breast, and it's really nice that they do that till 1 a.m. Then over here we have some extra drawer space, and we have in here a fridge, a mini fridge, and it's a decent amount of room in here with different compartments. They give you a book on Orange County and things to do here. We have the TV, which you can do internet TV. I just switched the screen to internet TV, so if you look on here actually, you'll see they took Hulu away for some reason. I heard that it's been like most of the Marriotts, if not all of them, for some reason. And I heard people's personal TVs don't have Hulu anymore either, which is interesting. Not sure about that. If anyone knows, definitely let me know in the comments. Then over here we have a lamp, and we have a chair with a little table area. And let me just give you a view. So we have an alarm clock over here, a little side table, and then there are outlets built in, USB and regular outlets built into the alarm clock. Then we can go over here and we have a phone. We have some more outlets in the wall, and there are lamps on either side of the room, like little light bulbs to light up the side of the bed. We have a safe here, it's pretty big. We have drawers here and another one down here. So the only thing about this room, these corner rooms, is that they don't have like a sliding door closet, so that's why like the safe is out here. And then there's a closet over there, which I'll show you in a second. But let's go out to the balcony quick before I show you the closet and the bathroom. So out here we have the balcony, and we get 2 chairs and a table. And let me just show you the view we have. We come in on the right hand side right away, we have a full-length mirror, and then we have some water if you want to buy, coffee, some cups under here in an ice bucket, and we also have coffee cups and coffee creamers, sweeteners, things like that. Then here we have a blanket, pillow, a robe, an ironing board, and an iron that's stored in here, and some hangers. So then we'll just zoom back out and look at this area one more time. You can control the air. The air gets really cold in here, which is really nice. Now we're about to head in the bathroom. It's a sliding door. So we're gonna open the sliding door, and we're gonna see this is the sink area. And there is a mirror, a little vanity with the sink area, and then the underneath has towels, hair dryer, that's where they have the iron, some extra toilet paper. They provide you a body lotion, conditioner, shampoo, soap, and hand wash, which is nice. We have some cups and tissues. And then if we walk into this side, we see that we have the toilet here, and then we have the shower here, a glass shower with a sliding door. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and set alerts so you know when my next video comes out.